Listen up, Sukuna. I know what kind of person you are. And I think you know why you're here. Blackmail, assault, Fortnite account scamming.
Who the hell is he talking to?
Do you have anything to say?
I've never done anything like that.
Alright then, what is this? What happened at Walmart this weekend?
What the hell is wrong with the machine?
Hold on, homie, I got you.
Thanks, bro. What would I be without... Did you just change my drink from Coke to Sprite?
I thought you wanted Sprite.
No, dumbass, I wanted Coke. My cup was under the Coke logo. Are you kidding me?
Alright, chill, bro. Let me get you a new one.
Nah, punk, that's it. I can't take this shit no more.
Dude, are you okay? Come on, man, chill out.
Domain expansion.
As you can see, you are a very dangerous person, which is why we have... Okay, what the fuck are you doing right now?
Listen up, kid. You did all that shit.
What are you talking about? Hold on, why am I wearing handcuffs?
Like I said, kid, you did all that shit.